How to fix FPL verification code not received. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix FPL verification code not received. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. First and foremost fix for this issue is make sure that the email address that you have connected to the FPL with has enough space to receive new emails. To check, go ahead and open the mail application on your device and open the account that you have connected FPL with and tap on your profile icon on the top right and check the storage. Also, many a times the mail is sent to spam, so make sure to check the spam too. Next, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Now, tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Fantasy Premier League application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. And now open the FPL application and request the code again, and by now you should receive the code. So, this is how you can fix FPL verification code not received. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.